Hey, what's up, everyone? The biggest difference between people that are trying to play guitar but stopping and kind of noodling around and doing different things musically but maybe not with enough clarity is oftentimes one word that I like to think about, and that is believing. I think a lot of people at certain points stop believing that playing music the way they imagine and want to is really possible. And that means that when you are doing simple actions, right? When you're just, for example, learning a song, learning a line, trying to play a new scale, even if C major scale is a new scale, then you're kind of telling yourself, and you have that inner dialogue or monologue that, you should have known that already, and you're too late for the game, and all these kind of things that are not really helpful, and that you actually don't really believe in yourself that you can play that song, or you don't really believe that you can play that solo, or that you don't believe that you can be creative with a lot of freedom. And I think the people who are really able to get there with more ease are folks that in general believe that it's possible. And I'm here to tell you that it's very possible. So I think if there's one thing I want us to kind of think about today and maybe this week is just that word believing. I need a lot of belief in my life right now because my son is very sick and we're going through a rough moment there. So I have to believe, that he's going to be okay. Otherwise, everything we're doing is pointless. But I really do believe, even if it's hard sometimes, I believe. And I think the same thing with music and guitar. I think we have to believe. We have to believe that playing the song, playing the scale, practicing, and all these actions are possible. So, if you want to learn songs by ear, if you want to be able to play the pentatonic scale in different positions and different lines, all these things are extremely possible. It's just about believing that it's possible. That's the first step. Understanding this is clearly an action you can do, and then breaking it down to smaller, easier chunks. A lot of people that are hanging out in this channel and communicating with me are oftentimes, or I guess most of them have jobs and careers, doctors, lawyers, different things that take a long time to know, different complex skills, writers, a lot of professions. But the point is that a lot of us have the capacity of doing a lot of these actions in other areas of our lives. A lot of people are, moms and dads, and this is a complex action to itself. And I think the idea that we believe we can do it, even if it's hard sometimes, means that we'll find a way to do it. And I just want us to think about that this week. So when you're working on things, when you're practicing, maybe even have a sticky note, on your guitar or on your desk, on your table, just saying believe, because that will make a huge difference in how we approach things. And again, I'll give a personal example. When I try to learn something that I don't know with music, because I've done it a lot, because I didn't know anything at a certain point, and now I know a little more. And then every time when I try to do this thing that I don't know, in the beginning I was not sure if I will be able to make it. But then later on, when I was able to learn certain things, little by little, I had more belief that I can learn it. So now if I'm trying to tackle something complicated, I understand that this might take time, but I believe I can do that. And that's a big difference because I approach it differently. And I also approach it with try to approach with a lot of time and space. So I'm saying, okay, I don't know this subject, whatever, at all. And now how do I understand it? How do I learn it? And the idea that I believe I can do that really sets me up for success in that sense, even if that means playing the bass or the piano or playing some lines that I didn't believe I can play in the past, but now I'm saying, okay, it's possible, just need to figure out how. So let's believe. I'll see you very soon. Peace.